In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Naira account on Exness. Now to do this, you want to sign into your Exness personal area first. Then you want to go to Trading, top left, and click on Accounts. In here, you want to pick if you want to create a real or a demo account. Both are going to work. And in both cases, you want to then click on Open Account here in the top right. I'm going to do this for a demo account, but it's up to you whichever one you want to make. Then from here, select an account. I'm actually going to go with standard because not all of these are going to allow you to actually pick Naira. Okay, so I'm going to go standard, but of course you can choose a different one. But if you cannot actually choose the currency after this, it means you're going to have to open a different account. So I'm actually going to click on standard over here and press continue. In here, you can again switch between real and demo, and then you can go to currency and you want to type in Naira, and there we go. We have the NGN over here. I can just click on it, and there we go. From here, you can then type in the starting balance you want to use, the nickname you want to use, and then of course you can also go and put in your max leverage you want to have, your platform. You have MT5, MT4, and Exness, and the trading platform or password you want to use if you select MT5 or MT4. Otherwise, you don't need one, okay? So once you've done this, click on create account and you'll see that in here, there we go. I now have a Naira account in my Exness and I can start using it, okay? So that's essentially how to do this, super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.